Hello, in this video we're going to show you a quick demo of the cloning feature within the account plan grid of GridBuddy. So you see on my screen already, I'm already in the grids, I have all my account plans, and I'm in Talina Account Plan 2016. So this is one of the various filters I set up for the book of businesses I support. So I have Bridget here, Talina 16, 17, and 18, so I can see the different years of that account plan. So now that I've set that up and I want to go in and say, okay, it's now time to start refreshing. It's the month of September. I need to start refreshing my September account plans for next year. So if I go in, I just want to see my September accounts. I can go on this, remember the widget, you can filter. I click on that and I am going to bring up the grid or bring up the renewals that are just September 1st, 2017. Once I select that, I can hit apply. Give it a second. So now I see I have 3 groups that renewed that actually I need to now refresh my account plans. So here, what I want to do as the associate account manager, I want to refresh or create the next year's shell for the account plan so then the account manager can come in and build the strategy. So I'm going to clone this first one for Hinkle Automotive. So if I click on these top 3 buttons here, it actually gives me various options. So some of these view and open record details, like in the opportunity, if you select on it, it's going to open up the entire account plan in another tab that you can make more detailed edits. You have some other options here that we'll explore later, but for now, I'm going to talk about the cloning record. So I select on the clone record, and you see it creates another line item, and it allows me to start cloning for this account plan. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the name. So I want to make sure I went into the right name. So for California, the 2017 account plan works towards the 2018 renewal. Now, please note, California users, that naming convention will be changing. You'll hear more about that in October this year. But for now, I'm trying to do the automotive account plan. And I'm going to type test because I am in a live environment. Okay, so once I've done that, I hit test. I can then go in here and then go into accounts. So I need to make sure I link the right account. So as the associate in the grids, it doesn't automatically link over the account. But all I have to do is, there's my account number. I type in the account number here, 134956. And make sure I hit the searchable field option here. And it brings up the account I need to attach. Really easy. Click on it and it's now attached. Now I want to make sure I attach the right opportunity here, so I click on the search button, and because I've already attached the account, it is bringing up all the available opportunities for me that I might want to select. So in this case, I want to work towards the 2018 renewal. So I'll click on this one right here, and it is now linked. So now that I've linked the account and the opportunity, the effective date will eventually populate for me once I hit save. But note that some of these 3 fields will not be pre-populated. It won't copy over from the previous account plan. The account manager can complete that when they are going through their strategy build. In the future, we're looking for an enhancement where these will copy over from last year's account plan as well. So as I'm building this clone, I want to make sure I attach the right owner of that account plan. So it's not me, it's going to be Talina. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this column. And I'm going to delete my name. Now if I start typing Talina, you're going to notice it's going to try to think of what user I'm looking for, and it found Talina for me, so I select Talina. Now once I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. This is going to create my shell. Now I'm going to show you one thing when it comes over. Just so you don't worry when this happens to you, is once you hit save, because I'm filtering for 2016 account plans, after I hit save, this is going to disappear from my view, because this specific grid is actually looking for the account, the 2016. So we'll show you in a second. Okay, so it's saving. Give it a moment. So like I mentioned, the account plan did go away. So what happened? Where did it go? Well, I kind of have another filter set up over here for my 2017s. So I click on 2017's, and this will bring up my 2017 account plans because it's not now the shell exists. Now, as an account manager, when I come in after she's created, see there it exists. 2017 Hinkle is created. This one's already approved because I'm in the live environment, but let's say I want to go in and I'm going to filter for effective dates. I want to go in, actually I just want to see my plan status of, I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to my plan status here and just select those that are under development and apply. So what this will do is now as the account manager can come in and you can see here's the test one that I did. And you can see 2016, you can see where it populated the information, it's under development. And so this is the shell that's waiting for the account manager to come in and actually start building the strategy. So that's a quick overview of how to do the cloning process. Check out our next video about how to attach the SWOT, how to import objectives and milestones, and also something to watch out for in regards to the targeted by and target special focus categories or fields. Thank you, and keep on watching our other videos.